Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows 11 or Windows 10 Wi-Fi adapter disappeared, and if you do not see it under your network and internet settings, then I'll show you on how to resolve with the quick solutions. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag ng command prompt, and then right click ka lang dito at select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig space // DNS. Ayan. So one word yung // DNS. So i-type mo lang yung ipconfig space // DNS and then press mo lang yung enter. So makita mo dito na successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Alright, so in the next command keyword na kailangan lang natin i-type, ay type lang natin ang navsh space wensat space reset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang itong navsh space wensat space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung successfully reset the Winsa catalog. So, kailangan lang natin mag-restart in order to complete the reset. So, press lang natin dito. And then dito sa start menu, click mo lang itong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so if the problem still persists at hindi pa na-resolve, in the next solution na pwede natin gawin, ay dito sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay type mo lang dito yung network reset. And then click mo lang itong open. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung network reset settings. So this will remove the reinstalled audio network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards. And then next ay click mo lang to reset and then click mo lang to yes. And then the next step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Wi-Fi adapter missings in Windows 11 or Windows 10 and get back wireless adapter. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.